What is GPU thermal throttling? GPU thermal throttling is a process that occurs when a graphics processing unit, GPU, reaches a certain temperature and reduces its clock speed to prevent damage. This can happen when a GPU is under heavy load, such as when playing a demanding video game. Thermal throttling can cause a decrease in performance, as the GPU will be able to run at a lower clock speed. This can lead to lower frame rates in games, and can also make other tasks that use the GPU, such as video editing, more sluggish. There are a few things you can do to prevent GPU thermal throttling, such as, * make sure your computer has good airflow. * use a cooling pad or fan to keep your computer cool. * reduce the graphics settings in your games. * overclock your GPU, but only if you know what you're doing. * if you're still experiencing thermal throttling, you may need to upgrade your cooling system.